Hey, story time.
Woo!
Pay
These
for them
$300,
inspections.
man. Y'all better pay for that, dude.
Pay for them inspections.
Something different because they're playing with the computer.
Right.
They're trying to trick you.
Yeah, you know.
The computer's helping you.
When they did this stuff, they start the injector spraying more. They burn the piston. A lot of stuff. Okay. So it's not good, bro. So
Hey, story time.
Woo!
Pay
These
for them
$300,
inspections.
man. Y'all better pay for that, dude.
Pay for them inspections. That's our mechanic right there. He saved us 14 bandos. 14 bandos.
I had a gutsy feeling too. Sometimes you gotta follow that feeling. That feeling may be a sign from God.
But it was basically like,
That's a good trick.
But it was all up on them.
it's gonna bring you, how much it was gonna bring you?
You make your money back in 2-3 weeks.
2-3 weeks.
Nah.
And you know, he was like, okay.
Lies.
Like, okay. It was 2-3 times, because we met him like several times, that he was just gonna give him the money, be like, I'm gonna trust him. He seemed like good people or whatever, but I mean,
Be them good ones.
I wouldn't say it'd be them good ones, it'd be them it'd be them undercover. Them wanna be good ones.
Ooh, boy, that right there, man.
Woo, with a sheet mask. But we paid $300 for an inspection. And Buddy ain't even work on the truck for more than 15 minutes.
Y'all think it's a game.
When they start stretching the back of their head and start asking how much that person's selling that truck for, get out of there.
You go
on it. So we finna take these back to the bank.
What?
And that's gonna be that. But Buddy tried to pull a fast one, and then it had a problem that later was gonna cost him $5,000. So, nah.
So to make 7,000 after spending 14, it ain't add up. That wasn't a good buy.
That's not what the play is.
That was stupid.
But anyway, we're gonna go and get this stuff for our boat because one monkey don't stop no show.
Hell no, we finna go boating. Boat life.
I'm just glad that, you know, we did the right thing and we didn't rush into nothing.
Thank you, Jesus.
Yes. Yeah, there go our mechanic right there. Nah, we ain't gonna show y'all. We ain't gonna show y'all the plug.
We ain't gonna show y'all the plug. We gotta do our own research.
Never. You know what I'm saying?
And that mechanic there.
He the plug. He's the
Oh,
plug.
and he work on Diego trucks. He said, go there. He told me to go to Diego. Go to Diego. He sell good trucks. I expect a lot of his trucks, good trucks. I can't tell y'all who Diego is either. You better find out yourself.
So now we know.
And that's on Little Mary Had a Little Lamb.
And the what? The fleece was what?
Why did it snow?
He don't know his nursery rhyme.
That
Taste of Miami.
You're a little better than mine. This little piece of damn mahi
What happens when you don't get it black?
and faux shrimp.